What's up, y'all? Wolfman. In today's video, I am going to talk about how you can use the law of attraction properly. Just one technique that you need to use in order to really get what you want in life. So this technique is not very hard, but because it's so simple, not too many people use it. And the law of attraction, is relatively easy to really master. And, as you notice, I've been talking about this lately just because it's impacted my life so much. And I use the law of attraction to get the things that I want. As you can see, in the last video, I showed you, the Jeep that I was able to manifest. I was able to manifest a really high paying job. I manifested the fact that I'm not only the highest paid in the job, but I'm the highest performer in the job. And I have a business that I'm working on that's going to be extremely successful very soon. And I have a great relationship. All of these things I've been able to attract and achieve just using simple techniques with the law of attraction. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to do it. So let's get started. Now, people go through their life, not being able to attract the things that they want, and they attract things that they don't want. So let's say that, you are consuming a lot of news, or you are listening to a lot of music, or, you're consuming this and that. And, whatever you put into your subconscious mind will attract eventually. The thought that you hold the longest is the strongest. So whatever you're thinking about consistently is going to be what you manifest in your life. Now, a lot of people don't understand this, and they end up manifesting things that they don't want. You know what I mean? So a lot of people, watch the news, and you consume the news, and then you think that thing that's happening in the news is going to happen to you. And then you eventually have that experience, and it's not a pleasant experience. So how exactly can you manifest things in your favor? How can you manifest, better job, or a higher paying career, or even like if you want to start a business, or if you want your dream car, if you want your dream house? How can you manifest these things? You can see I manifested a brand new bed. It's behind me. Like I'm not joking. This stuff works. I manifested, like, this bed is one of the nicest beds I've ever had. And it's so soft. And I manifested it in like 3 or 4 months. So how exactly can I manifest all these things so quickly? Well, you have to meditate. And I know it kind of sucks to sit down, close your eyes, and be like, But the thing is, if you're visualizing, you're flexing your muscle. So think of it this way. Your visualization is a muscle. And if you can use your imagination, your visualization, because your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between reality and fiction. So if you visualize a circumstance that you want to happen continuously over and over and over again, every day you're doing it over and over and over again, eventually you materialize that into reality. So I can't tell you how this stuff works. Like, my God. In the past few months, I've been able to manifest some crazy, crazy stuff. Crazy stuff, man. Like, I have a 4K I manifested a 65-inch 4K TV, top of the line. I manifested that by visualizing myself watching or playing games on a nice TV, and I manifested it. And some way, somehow, I was able to get it within a month, 2 months. I'll show you. Well, I'll show you in another video, but but I play games on that. I'm right now I'm playing Ghost of Tsushima on that. Brand new Samsung TV. I manifested that brand new luxury bed I'm sleeping on right now, as you can see. Great career, you know what I mean? And I'm working on some other things that I will not talk about, because another thing about the law of attraction is you never tell other people what you want. You never tell people what you're working on. Never. You have to keep it a secret. You have to keep it in your mind, but visualize what you want. So what you need to do is, before you go to bed, you have to look at or watch the thing that you want. So what I did to get the Jeep was I watched videos on YouTube of people driving the Jeep Rubicon, getting into the Jeep Rubicon, driving it down the street. I visualized myself. I visualized myself driving it. I would watch people on YouTube driving it. And I did that for like maybe 2 months. I don't even remember how many months I did it. I think I did it for like 90 days or 60 days or something like that. But long story short, after doing this over and over and over again, every night I would watch these videos on YouTube, exact same videos. I watch exactly the same on YouTube, and I would visualize myself. I meditate for 30 minutes after, close my eyes. I visualize myself driving it. And long story short, man, like, eventually the circumstances, the situations, everything just lined up perfectly. And I was able to drive it in perfect time. It was perfect timing, because it was a time when, I really needed a vehicle, and I needed a 4x4 vehicle because it was winter, right? So it came at the very perfect time when my car broke down, my old car. And you can see my old videos. I'm driving my Beamer. That's my old car, and it broke down. And the Jeep came at a perfect time when the winter was here and my car broke down, and I had no way to get to work, and the Jeep came at perfect time. And that's just one of the greatest manifestations I've done so far, the best one I've done so far. So, that's all you have to do is just meditate, visualize, and I'll walk you through I'll walk you through the techniques, the actual technique, the style that I did it in my next videos that are coming up. And I'm thinking of doing a free mini course for you to, learn to train your subconscious mind. Let me know in the comments if you want me to create a mini course that will help you, learn how to manifest what you want in your life. And I will teach you. I will create that course for you. But basically, when you train your visualization muscle, you will become more and more aware of the things that you want, and then eventually it'll come into your lifestyle. And the last thing I want to touch on is your vibration. And this is something I'll also talk about in another video next time. But your vibration is very important. The way you feel is very important. If you have, if you're feeling shitty all the time, we're humans. Sometimes we feel shitty. But if you feel consistently shitty all the time, and you're not grateful for the things that you want, or that you have, you're not grateful for anything, you're complaining all the time, you're going to keep yourself at a low vibration, a low frequency. And that frequency will prevent you from manifesting the things that you want. So you have to watch your vibration, your frequency. And frequency vibration works like a radio station. If you tune into 105.5, you may not get the things that you want. But if you tune into 105.6, that might be the frequency that attracts the things that you want. 105.5 might be a low vibration, negative vibration, but 105.6 might be a higher vibration. So if you keep yourself at a high vibration, then you are more likely to 10 times the flow of your vibration. So, you have to make sure that you have a high frequency, high vibration in order to manifest the things that you want. And I'll talk about that in another video. I'm thinking of creating a mini course, a free mini course for my subscribers. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to create this, because I'm very excited about talking about these things. And I want to help you manifest the things that you want, because I don't know what part of, what point of your life you're in right now. I don't know what your struggles are, but I'm willing to help you out. So let me know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be dropping a lot of tips, a lot of tricks, and the techniques that I'm using to manifest these things one by one. This is crazy. So let me know what your experiences are. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Wolfman out. Wolfman.